Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Mac Mini M1. Now, before we get started, be sure to be subscribed to the channel to see more videos like this and different videos that might interest you. But otherwise, we're going to first go through the unboxing, which you'll see now, and then after that I'll go through the specs of it and also my official thoughts of it. So let's cut to the unboxing. Okay, so this Mac Mini, the specs is it's not the top of the range Mac Mini, but it's the entry level one. So it's 256 gigabytes as you saw with the unboxing, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and obviously the M1 chip gives it 8 cores of CPU power, 8 cores of GPU power, and 16 cores of neural engine. Now obviously this thing is powerful with the M1 chip, which makes it run faster, smoother, and even give it a good performance towards things that might include video editing, graphic design, visual effects, game development, you name it. It can run basically almost anything. Obviously, depending on you, depends if you need something like this, but it's very powerful. Now, honestly, the M1 chip is Apple's new own thing, so it does make it cheaper. That's why you can pick up a Mac Mini for a small amount. So it's very cheap for a person that wants to get into Apple products. But my overall thoughts of it is very powerful. It can run almost anything, like I said. It's very useful if you're wanting to do video editing with 4K performance and maybe 8K, depending on how you run it. But if you are going to use it for simple use like YouTube, it's fine. You can still use it when you need it. And like I said, it's very cheap. So it's better than buying a very cheap laptop that might not even really run things. So if you are wanting to get a Mac Mini, go for it. The only downside of it is that if the power goes out, you can't really use it unless you have a UPS. And if you, for example, want to travel, or if you travel a lot, you might have to have a laptop or have a whole other setup with a UPS, external screen to use it. But otherwise, this is perfect for at-home use. So if you're wanting to upgrade your computer for your home office, go for it. It's very useful. But it's either this one or the iMac. But I did a video on the iMac already, so this is the Mac Mini. Otherwise, hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, or subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification to be notified when a new video is up. And comment down below what you want to see next. Friday's video will be going over the Nintendo Switch OLED. I know I said I was going to do it for the video that you're currently watching, Tuesday's video, but I decided to move it towards Friday. So yeah, this week is 3 videos. I'm going to try a new format, but otherwise, hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next video. Hope you have a great day. Bye.